Hello? We're gonna continue on where we left off. Started with the Fallen, and we went through tutorials, ruins, and then we met with Sands and Papyrus. And now we're gonna continue onward past the waterfall and hopefully make it to Hotland. This is going to be the neutral run, and followed by the full pacifist run afterward. Put an item. Make an item. Why would you, though? You can't use items when in the box. Sincerely, a box hater. Alright. Or saw something. Alright. Due to go. Yeah, bandana in. Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. Tried very hard. Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're gonna take the human souls yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see, I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. Oh. Dude, did you see that? The way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous. What'd you do to get her attention? Haha. Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guy. Stay determined. Oh, I did that wrong. Ugh. Woo. It's flex. I flex. Lex again. Lex himself out of the room. Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. Yay! So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. We thought she saw you wearing a dusty tutu. Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu? Yes. Well, you are wearing a dusty tutu. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day. Alright. Wishing room. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. You hope with all your heart your wish would come. Now all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Joshua. Clean. Oh. Spare. So people wishing together can't be wrong. King will prove that. Come on, sis, make a wish. I wish my sister and I will see the real star someday. Ah, seems my horoscope is the same as last. Look through the telescope. Check what? Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. War of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? That they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human. Humans have one weakness. Ironically, it is the strength of their soul. Power allows it to persist outside the human, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with the human soul, a horrible beast with unfathomable. It's an illustration of a strange creature. Something very unsettling. Hey, Milani. Unsettling about this trip. Sometimes, I don't know if it's in, but I think it's at this area that you meet the gray NPC, and you start getting a little bit of backstory about W.D. Gaster, who is the one that created the molten core in Hotland. There's quite a it's quite a weird backstory. Uh-oh. It's actually pretty easy to as I say that, I get to avoid these spears. Run. I made it through. I did it. face. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again! Man, are you unlucky. You're standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. Sure we'll see her again. Cheese has been here so long and magical crystal has grown around it. Back to the table. Squeak. Squeak. Go. It's Sans.
Think about getting into the telescope business. Only 50,000 G, but use this premium telescope. But since I know you, you can use it for free. How about it?
Sure. All I see is red. And...
Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund.
Jerk! I don't got anything I need in here. It's a star. Can you touch it? Do a star? This has been painted over with a list of 21 different store, but there are still no customers. Fortunately, I thought of a solution. Punch card. Time you buy an ice cream, take a punch card from the box. You have 3 cards. You can trade them for a free ice cream. Sure to get the customers to come back. Ice cream, it's a frozen treat that warms your heart. Yeah, I'll take 1 free ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. I don't think the duck can help me here. The fast travel area. Nah, I don't need the card. I don't need that much ice cream. Passing conversation. Just to make. Use 1 second. Mercy. Pair of ballet shoes. Sure. These 2. Another weapon. And did I had the tough glove. Dance! Dancing! Ah! X. X again. X.